Hi friends, so the next song that we're going to do is called The Garden Song. It's one of my favorite songs. So you can find this in the handout so you can follow along. So we'll go to the back, mine's pink. So here are some of the signs that we'll need. So we need flower, like you're smelling a flower. Then we need bug or insect, so it's like a 3-hand, and it's on your nose, bug. Water, see the W sideways, water. Sunshine, fun, so your 2 fingers come down to these 2 fingers. Tree, then we have walk, and grow. Okay, so there's 2 different ways to sign grow, and we're going to sign both of them in this song. So when we're talking about a plant, it grows this way. When we're talking about a child, it grows this way. Okay? Important. So they're 2 F hands, and they start sort of flat like pancakes here, sort of together like a dinner plate, and then it comes up. So important. Important. Work or job. Then we have drink and food or eat. Delicious, your middle finger, delicious from your mouth. Wait. Love. Pick, like you're picking something off a tree. Pick. Child, and then we've seen that a child grows that way. And then of course there's eat in there, and plant, which is the same as a plant growing, and play. So, if you want to flip over to the lyrics. So, so the chorus, that's where she kind of changes up the words, okay? So she says, so grow, little seed, grow. There's important work to do. You peek, you reach for sun and drink. You grow and make our food. Okay? And then the next time she says it, she changes it up a little bit. She says, so grow, little one, grow. There's important work to do. You love, you play, and every day you eat so you'll grow too. Super cute. All right? Okay, so let's give it a shot. You might want to try it a couple times. May not be perfect the first time. That's okay. All right, so let's find our song. Here we go.
A garden can be the whole backyard. A garden can be in a cup. Flowers and insects, water and sunshine. A garden is fun to watch.
Made a little mistake there.
A garden can be a forest of trees. A garden of flowers bright. A garden can fit on your windowsill. A garden to walk through at night. To walk through at night. To walk through at night. To walk through at night.
Okay, so here's our plan.
Grow, little seed, grow. There's important work to do. You peek, you reach for sun and drink. You grow and make our food.
Then again.
So grow, little seed, grow. There's important work for you. You peek, you reach for sun and drink. You grow and make our food.
So the next time we do that, we're going to do it with a little kid.
A garden of food, it tastes so good. Plant and wait and watch. Pick your own, they finally grown. Everybody loves a garden.
Okay.
So grow, little one, grow. There's important work to do. You love, you play, and every day you
Okay, so I made a mistake at the beginning there, so let me just make sure that I show you those. So she says, hold on, flowers. Flowers and insects, water and sunshine, a garden is fun to watch. So this is a plant, and then this is a garden, several plants. And then also there was another one, so this is tree, and then if you move your hand sort of to represent there's more trees, that would be like a forest, okay? And then I threw in every day as well. So every day, so that's not like every and then you sign day. This is the sign daily or every day. And that is the garden song.